Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now let's look at Nasdaq. This is the weekly chart on Nasdaq, and out of this bullish wedge formation, we hit my price target right there, but we pulled back. Now what I can see is that we have this big W pattern here. The neckline is around here, 12,000. So for me, as long as we are above 12,000, I'm bullish. However, with the price target right there, 13,500. Now let me see. Yeah, I was measuring with the wicks, and if I measure only the bodies of the candles, let me see what price target we have. So if I only look at the bodies here, price target is 13,288. However, when we get there, probably we will run to 13,500, 13,600, even 13,740 to that area. Now what I see here is that we are bullish. We are possibly forming either a bullish flag here or even a triangle pattern here. We will see. We will have to wait to see next week we might have some moves ups and downs again in this range here. And what I also see is that we tried to break down below the 50 EMA but came back above. So it means that 50 EMA is support for us. 12,325, this is support, and we will probably stay above this area. Should we break down below there, then it's possible that we run down to my neckline, 12,000, first 12,130, 12,130, 12,000, that area. I don't think we will touch the 20 EMA on the weekly, however it's possible. And as long as the 20 EMA is so far down below the 50 EMA, we can have red candles like this anytime. But sooner or later we will turn around, and this is a very bullish market in general. Let's go over to the daily. So this is the daily chart on Nasdaq, and now let's see what's happening here. On the daily, we had a bearish M formation here, and this we were able to trade this. Maybe I should do daily videos because this was very tradable. Now let me just see if we hit my price target here, and I just want to measure the target out of this M formation. So here you can see this M formation. Let's just focus on the bodies from the top to the bottom, and the price target, let me put it right there. We hit the price target. Yeah, we hit the price target. So if I don't look at the wicks, we already hit the price target. No need to fall further down. So of course, if I look at the wicks, the price target is way down below, but it's not always. We don't always hit the price target measured with the wicks. So we need to be safe. We need to play safe and just focus on the bodies of the candles. Now, if I look at this chart, we had this golden cross here, 20 EMA is way above 50 EMA, that's a very good sign. And we are getting close to 200 EMA, that's also a good sign. And of course, both lines should cross the 200 EMA in order for us to be very bullish. But I'm still bullish. We hit the price target here, we pulled back. And so next week, I think, at least the beginning of next week, we will continue this run to the upside. Yeah, let's have a quick look at the 4-hour chart. I want to see if there's anything for the very near short term. So this is the 4-hour chart. We will probably run to the 50 EMA on the 4 hour, 12 430. If we cross that, we will run to 20 EMA, 12 480. Yeah, 12 465 could be resistance for us, and we might turn back down in that area and spend some time here before continuing to go up. However, I also see a pattern here. Yeah, that's what I wanted to have a look at. I'm sorry, just for my sake, I want to measure the price target, what we can expect on a Monday, and out of this pattern that we have right there. So here we go. Yeah, here, let me just, oops, looks like it's difficult. Here we go, something like that. Okay, and then from there to there, yeah, from there to there, yeah, from there to there. This is actually a bullish formation, meaning that this, okay, something like that a bit. Yeah, but you can see, meaning that this run to the downside has ended, and if we break out of this pattern, then the price target is, should we break above that pattern on Monday, for example. Oops, I don't know why it's difficult. It's not staying there. Anyway, it's 12,520. 12,520 is going to be my price target. I think we will run up there based off of this formation, but this is very valid for me. So we will run up again. I think that's what I predict. Good. Now let's go over to S&P 500, and S&P 500. I want to see the daily chart. So this is S&P 500 on the daily, and we have a very nice daily candle. We touched the 20 EMA, wick below it, but then had a great pullback. And this is telling me that next Monday we are going to continue a bull run. We had this M formation. I'm not measuring it, but I think our price target got hit as well. And now we can continue the bull run. That's what I see here. Okay, let's go over to Dow Jones. So I'm generally very bullish on the indices, even if we have dips. It's like buy the dips, and you need to know what you are doing. Dow Jones, we tried to break down below the 50 EMA, but had a weak pulled back, and we are right now at around the 20 EMA. Of course, if we break above there, then we will continue the bull run. This might be a triangle pattern. Let's look at the weekly chart. And out of this triangle pattern, it's very possible that we will break to the upside. Here we go, this triangle pattern. If we break out of this triangle pattern to the upside on the weekly, and on the weekly we are bullish because of this column cross. Now let me see. So here it is. Here we go. Yes, something like that, and then something like that. This is a nice triangle pattern. Let me measure the price target like that, and if we break to the upside, we need to wait to see. Then the price target is 36,650 out of this pattern. Yeah, and also we are trying to form probably a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. We need to break above this neckline for us to say that this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Good. Let's go over to Germany. DAX, this is the German index weekly chart, and I'm very bullish because we have this inverse head and shoulder pattern. We broke out to the upside. My price target is 17,190, and this could be a bullish flag formation. The price target is 1654. This weekly candle doesn't look good, meaning we could have more moves to the downside. But because we broke out, I would say it's more probable to next week to continue a bull run. We will see. Let's just have a quick look at the daily chart. This is the daily chart on the German index. And on the daily, we had this threatening daily candle, and of course we fell, but we pulled back. So we didn't even touch the 20-day EMA. Very bullish, very bullish. Maybe Monday we will continue to go back up. Okay, let's go over to Japan. This is Nikkei, the Japanese index daily chart. Now let's see what's happening here. We had this golden cross, and yeah, we built a low here. We need to have a higher high, so we will probably head to 28,100, 28,240, around that area. We have this trend line, falling trend line. We need to break above this in order for us to say that we came out of this falling trend line on the Japanese index. Good. Let's have a quick look at Russell. And so this is Russell. This is the daily chart on Russell. And we came back down. Tried to break below the 20 MA but couldn't. We had only weak, and we have a very bullish formation. Probably we will continue the bull run after developing a higher low. We have a higher low here, a higher high, and another higher high. Very bullish on Russell. We will probably continue the bull run. That's all for now. See you next time.